Hello guys, my other Costco video was so popular I'm doing another one of Costco prepping tips, what you can save at Costco and help set up your emergency stockpile. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook where you can eat better, spend less. We have our new hardcover to help you eat better, spend less, and save on your grocery bill today. Visit us at livingonadime.com to get your copy. Okay guys, so these are some weirder things, not necessarily weirder, but not so common stock up items from Costco that are a great deal, and I thought I would share them with you from my shopping trip. Number one, headlamps. Okay, so these you put on your head, but everybody's like, what? What do you mean headlamps? Well, here's the thing. I lived in tornado country for half my life. You always had to be prepared for a tornado. If you get buried in your house, in your basement, and you've got to dig yourself out, a headlamp would be great because you can put it on and start digging, okay? Headlamp, they had some really nice ones. I have not tried this particular variety of headlamp, but I will say the quality at Costco for things like this, I have found to be so much better than Walmart or any place else. I don't know what it is. I don't know if they just make sure the people make it better or what, or maybe it's just my imagination, but it seems like things don't break down as much if I buy them at Costco as if I would buy them at Walmart or someplace else like that. Even Lowe's or Home Depot. I find Costco just seems to have a better quality for, things like flashlights and blenders and those kinds of things. So headlights. The next one is work lights. So yet again, if you need a work light for a situation in the evening, one time my brother had hailstones like this big. Okay, I don't know if they were that big, but they were like this big. Maybe they were this big. I think this big was a little too big. I think they were like this big. They were huge. They went through his roof, and thankfully it stopped in his attic, but in his neighbor's house it went clear through the kitchen. The hailstones went clear through the kitchen. My brother and Mike had to get up on the roof in the dark and put up tarps to try and protect my brother's house from water damage from the hailstones going through. So a good work lamp like that is really good to have on hand, and I saw these and it was a really good deal. So they're LED too, so I thought that was great because they last longer. So anyway, work lights, that's another one. Protein powder. Protein powder is great, guys. It's a quick, easy meal. I personally don't like the taste of protein powder, but in an emergency situation, if I needed a really fast meal and needed some energy, I would just drink a protein shake and that would hold me for 3 or 4 hours. So protein powder is a really good deal there. Prunes. Okay, this is crazy, guys, but prunes are something you should probably have in your stash. Now, if you've got people with pooping problems, a couple of prunes will help relieve the discomfort, to put it delicately. Am I putting it delicately enough? So prunes would be a great thing to have in an emergency stash just for that situation. Laundry soap. Now, I know this is crazy, but have a little bit of laundry soap in your emergency stash. Now, in a true emergency, I wouldn't use laundry soap. I would just wash my clothes out on a rock in some water. But laundry soap does make things just a little more convenient, a little more pleasant. Get the stink out a little bit better. Have a little bit of laundry soap, and it is cheaper at Costco. Hand sanitizer. I know. Here's the thing, guys. They had big gallon jugs of hand sanitizer. That stuff will last quite a while. I mean, quite a while. I don't know how long it'll last. I'm not going to put a date to it because I'm sure somebody would comment and say, well, you're wrong about that. Okay. It'll last a long time. So get a gallon of hand sanitizer. I was really shocked, but that is a really good deal at Costco. And it's something that you wouldn't normally think of getting, or at least I didn't think Oh yeah, I could get hand sanitizer at Costco. Dried peanut butter. Now, this is a great emergency pantry staple. This stuff tastes delicious. Oh my goodness, some dried peanut butter, a little bit of chocolate syrup, and some bananas. Oh, okay, you may not be able to get all that in an emergency situation, but dried peanut butter, you rehydrate it, super yummy, super easy to store, lasts longer than just regular peanut butter in the jars. And Costco is one of the places that I have found it to be the cheapest. Booze. Okay, now you guys are going to say, what? All right, here's the thing. Booze is really good in an emergency situation, not just for calming your nerves, but I'm not a drinker. I don't drink any alcohol at all. And, well, except NyQuil now and then when I have cold or whatever. But whiskey is really good for helping with coughs. If you can't get your cough to stop with regular cough syrup, I find my homemade cough syrup works better. It's in Dining on a Dime Volume 2. I'll leave a link in the description for the recipe for it. But if the store-bought doesn't work and then the homemade doesn't work, whiskey, give them just a little bit, you know, like a tablespoon, and that usually knocks the cough enough so that you can get some sleep and get some rest, but it's not going to just make you pass out drunk. The other thing is you can use it for cooking. Homemade vanilla is great. Now, in an emergency situation, you're probably not going to need homemade vanilla. But if you got a couple of different types of booze, even if you don't drink, and I'm not talking stock up on tons, but just 1 or 2 bottles. Here's the thing. If things get really bad and you can't get to medical help, or they're just hysterical, that type of thing, you need something to calm them down and knock them out. Costco booze was actually a really good deal. I would pick up a couple of things from there. Allergy medicines. Now, I've mentioned this in a couple of my other videos. You can tell we're in the middle of wildfires right now because this is really big on my mind. But guys, one thing preppers never tell you to pick up is allergy medicine. After we've been dealing with these wildfires in Colorado, my allergies have been horrid. And I mean, I am talking eye shutting, swelling, horrid. And then the other day, I was gardening and I totally spaced that I'm highly allergic to one of these weeds that we have here. And I wasn't using gloves. I just pulled them out of the ground, was putting them all in there. And I came in and I'm like, man, I don't know what is wrong with me. And then all of a sudden my eye starts swelling shut. And where I was carrying the weeds, this whole section of my arm started just breaking out into hives and swelling. And my eye was getting more shut. And I was like, what is wrong with me? And I thought it was the fires at first. And then I realized I'd picked up those weeds and accidentally touched my eye because my allergies are out. That's why I'm always doing this in the shows for you guys who are so, yeah, she's touching her nose. Here, let me just do it again. Here's the thing. It's my allergies just absolutely drive me nuts. So, well, and the other reason is when I talk a lot, my fibromyalgia causes some kind of nerve something or another so that my face starts itching. Anyway, whole nother story. But I went and grabbed the Benadryl really quick, got it down me so I didn't have to go to the hospital, and was able to stop it in time. But allergy medicine is a big one that I think you should pick up at Costco because it's a lot cheaper. I mean, it's significantly cheaper, like a third of what I was paying at Walmart. So allergy medicine is a big one. Okay, now this one is kind of strange. You're going to say, what? But Nesquik, chocolate milk additive. If you have dry milk and it's an emergency, you're going to get tired of drinking dry milk. It's not horrid, and it's edible, and you can drink it. And if it's refrigerated, it tastes better. But if you had something like Nesquik to stir in there, even if it's just a little bit to kind of help take the dry milk taste edge off, that would just make life a lot more pleasant in an emergency situation or survival type situation. And Nesquik was cheaper at Costco. Got the big things, it lasts forever. So I would pick up some Nesquik. Those are the things that are kind of crazy that I would pick up at Costco. Right now we have a free copy of our Dining on a Dime ebook just use the coupon code DINING1, hit apply. If it doesn't say 0, don't buy it. Well, I mean, unless you want to. You can go ahead and buy it if you want to, but if you're wanting it for free, make sure it says 0. So put in the coupon code and hit apply, and it will be yours for free, our gift to you. To help you prep, you need a good cookbook, and our Dining on a Dime cookbook is it. Please visit us at livingonadime.com, and we'll see you guys next time.